What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today is, I think it's Tuesday. Let me see. It might be off. Yeah, today's Tuesday the 29th. I'm gonna check the mail because supposedly I've got something for my Acura, and today's video is gonna be about that. So yeah, they just shoved whatever this is in there. There's a few more things, but we'll get that in a bit. So this video is on the Acura. A little update on the Acura. She runs good. Let's go ahead and open her up. Alright, so as you guys have, if you've seen the previous videos on the Acura, you know the seats are all torn up and the dash is messed up. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up real quick just to get some air conditioning rolling in here. I know the radio is probably gonna be full blast, so yeah, she was pretty high up. Alright, the AC is working. The first day I brought it home, the AC went out, and messaged the person that sold it to me, and they're like, no, the AC is working fine, blah blah blah. So what it was is the blower motor down there is starting to get stuck. Now I also fixed a little bit of the back there. The things were coming down. I put a little bit of thumbtacks. I ended up taking out the seats back there to try to get to the speakers. The speakers need to be replaced, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as is. I took it to my friend Junior, the mechanic. Junior, if you're watching the video, thanks for helping me out. He went ahead and looked at it. We tried to get the service and the check engine light off, and we found something when we lifted the car up. The car's catalytic converters have been taken off, so we were going to try to get it tuned, but I don't think I'm going to go that route. I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to take it to get the oil changed at Honda Acura here in Brownsville. It's actually Honda, but Acura is the same thing. So anyways, let's go ahead and open up this package. I brought my blade with me, but I don't think I'm going to need it. Well, maybe I will. Hold on, guys. Alright, so I kind of tore it up there. Got it here, tear there. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I need to get myself something to hold the phone with. Actually, I was going to use the new holder that I have, but I didn't grab it. This is going to fix the dash. Now, it's not going to fix it. It's gonna be like a little matte cover up. I don't know why it was black. I ordered it in gray. Oh no, that's right. The dash is black. It's true that. So you can see the dash is really bad. So this is going to cover up that issue. I'm going to go ahead and put the dash on, the little cover on, and see what you guys think. And this is the name of the company, I guess. What is that? Something Yuki? I don't know. That's what this thing says. Yeah, XU Key manufacturer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and then we'll continue the video. And that's just gonna be a little update for the Acura. Once this is on and I get the seat covers in, she's gonna go up for sale. And I'd like to know what you guys think I should put it up for. Next video will be with the seat covers, and we'll go ahead and do the actual sale price. Alright, so this is the general idea of how it's gonna stay. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the dash. These little stickers that it comes with are pretty generic. The Velcro is not very good. Might have to buy some better Velcro. But yeah, this will cover up all the damages on the dash. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you next time.